Unlock the secret to lustrous hair with K Hair Care Essential Oil. Are you tired of battling dry, frizzy hair that refuses to cooperate? Say goodbye to those bad hair days and welcome the magic of K Hair Care Essential Oil into your hair care routine. Packed with the goodness of nature, this multi-effect hair care oil is designed to transform your hair from dull to dazzling. 1. Pure luster for radiant hair, 100 milliliters. Experience the sheer brilliance of pure luster, a hair oil that brings out the natural shine of your hair. Enriched with a blend of essential oils, it is specially formulated for dry hair, leaving it visibly glossy and vibrant. 2. Rose White Tea Elixir, 100 milliliters. Indulge in the delightful aroma of rose white tea with this hair elixir. Immerse your senses in the calming fragrance while this hair oil works its magic, providing nourishment, protection, and a captivating fragrance. 3. Black Beauty for Intense Care, 100 milliliters. Give your hair the care it deserves with Black Beauty. Formulated with a rich combination of natural oils, it offers intense nourishment, making your hair more manageable and resilient. 4. Purple Majesty for Vibrant Locks, 100 milliliters. Infuse vibrancy into your hair with Purple Majesty. This hair oil is designed to add life to your locks, keeping them smooth, frizz-free, and full of vitality. 5. Orange Zest for Citrus Freshness, 100 milliliters. Elevate your hair care routine with the refreshing scent of orange zest. This hair oil not only imparts a delightful fragrance, but also provides essential nutrients for healthy and rejuvenated hair. Key features. Multi-effect formula. The K Hair Care Essential Oil offers a multi-effect solution for dry and damaged hair, promoting shine, smoothness, and overall health. Enriched essence combination, with ingredients like tangerine fruit extract, camellia extract, argan oil, corn germ oil, and marula oil, this hair oil is a powerhouse of natural goodness. High temperature protection, shield your hair from the rigors of styling and heat. This hair oil provides effective protection, ensuring your locks remain healthy and resilient. Long-lasting frizz resistance, bid farewell to frizzy hair. This hair oil is your secret weapon for long-lasting frizz control, keeping your hair sleek and manageable. Lovely fragrance and shine. Enjoy the dual benefits of a captivating fragrance and enhanced shine with every application. How to use. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of the hair oil evenly on dry or wet hair, starting from the ends and working your way up. There's no need to rinse, allowing the product to work its magic throughout the day. Ingredients. The K Hair Care Essential Oil is crafted with a blend of premium ingredients, including cyclopentasiloxane, dimethiconol, essential oils, and beneficial extracts like Emblica officinalis fruit extract and Camellia oleifera seed oil. Specifications. Flavor, original flavor. Net WT, 100 milliliters. Gender, unisex. Origin, mainland China. Number of pieces, 1 unit. Item type, conditioner. Specifications, 100 milliliters. Nursing site, Hair Care Essential Oil.